Hello, and welcome to Resident Evil 6. I'm FluffyGameFace from Bentspoonfilms Productions. And this, as I said before, is Resident Evil 6. Let's see how this goes. I'm quietly confident about the fact that this game's graphics are shite. But let's get past that and play the game for what it is. Seems like a pretty pointless intro if you ask me. I'm just listening to some weird ass music with some weird ass leaf stuck to a wheel. I don't know. No, that's a thing. I don't know what that thing is. This is weird. I'm weirded out now. I'm weirded out. Okay, that's an explosion. Checkpoint. Okay. What's going on? Okay. Not good. Panic. Helicopters. Gunfire. Fire. Gun. Pick up the gun, you stupid idiot. Injured woman. There's an injured woman on the floor. I'm doing a Walking Dead and shoot her in the face. No. Okay. No, just I don't know. Okay. Oh god. Put machine space for no reason whatsoever. Looking around and then put in machine space. I don't like this. I don't like pointless button mashing. What's button mashing got to do with dragging a body? Seriously? Wow. Okay, what am I doing now? How did I get through? Did I just walk through that? Wow. Okay. Oh look, it's Ryu Kobayashi. What's that hair? It's such shit hair. Anyway, let's get past the shitty textures and the shitty hair, and as I said, play the game for what it is.
Come on. It's not over yet.
Okay, I'm carrying an injured... Whoa, am I even controlling this? I think so. I'm carrying an injured woman through a dark back alley.
Hang in there, Helena.
Hang in there. I promise not to take advantage of... Yeah, that's not gonna happen. She just fell.
I'll only slow you down.
Oh, shut up.
Go.
No. That's not gonna happen. It's a video game.
You're not getting off that easy. Come on.
Come on, get up. Get the... Oh god, not more button mashing. No, just pressing a button for no reason whatsoever. Okay, more dragging of a injured woman.
After all we've been through, it'd be a waste to give up now.
A waste. Okay, space. I don't know. Well, hitting it's not gonna do anything. What? Oh, a long piece of metal. Good luck with that. God, the textures. I only just got that, that was lucky. What is this? Time button mashing? It's time button mashing. What is this? Open the door. Open it. Open it now. Come on. Swing to... Okay, apparently I'm going in here. When will I stop dragging this woman around? I don't want to drag her around anymore. Oh god. That is a dead body, and in a zombie game, dead body means not quite dead, but undead.
Let's try this way.
First, let's walk towards the dead body.
We're almost through this.
Seems like a good idea, and there's blood on the floor as well. Oh, joy of joys. Oh, you're going to examine the dead body now. You are clever, my friend. Very clever. What was that? You call that examining? What the... Am I even controlling the movement? If I just press forward, will they go in the way they want to go? If I just press W, I can make my way through this entire bloody thing. It's not fun.
Let's take a break.
I'm not enjoying myself so far, to be honest. Nothing particularly good to look at. And all I've been doing is pressing W and smashing R.
There's gotta
in
be a
space.
first aid kit in here somewhere.
First aid kit. You're bothered about first aid kit? Can I shoot anything? Why are you bothering holding a gun if you're not going to shoot anything? Oh god. Terrible, terrible textures. Terrible. Where are you going? I don't even know your
Makes
name.
me sick seeing good soldiers die like this.
I don't know he's good. Look, he's growing weed in the back of his van. Oh, so you're gonna get the weed? What the fuck is this? You smashed open an SUV for weed.
Leon, are you there?
Yeah, I'm just getting some weed.
Hunnigan,
Good to hear you're okay. Where's Helena?
She's on the floor in
she's
pain.
not doing too good. She needs medical attention.
Do you have any herbs left?
A few, but I'm not sure they'll help.
Okay, listen.
Herbs.
Just follow my instructions.
Yeah, it's weed. Open item slots. Whoa, what the fuck is this? Space is okay. Okay, I'm just pressing space and hoping for the best.
Hold on, Helena.
One? What the... What kind of action button is one? This is... Nah.
Too many good agents have died here today. You're not
Okay, the
getting out of
face
that
is a
list.
slight improvement when textures are concerned. But this is better than the back of the truck. Because I didn't expect that to happen. It's not as if it's a zombie game. It's... I mean, oh god, that's like Metal Gear Solid 2 graphics. It's like watching Fat Man roll around on his roller skates from Metal Gear Solid 2. Go shoot him? I don't know.
Damn it, out of ammo!
Oh, that worked. That went well. What am I supposed to mash now? Should I do this? I don't know. Oh god, I got bit. That's... oh. Yeah, that's a failure. That is a failure. That is a failure. The question is, was I supposed to mash down 2? Or was I supposed to mash A and D? Well, you're a bit late, love. I died like 30 seconds ago. Christ. Right. I don't want to go through much of that again, because that was boring as fuck. But, you know, for the sake of doing this, let's just do it. Okay, yeah. So I've given her the herb,
Too many good agents have
the
died here
weed,
today.
whatever it was. It was green, it was
You're
a
not
plant.
getting added to that list.
Leon.
Leon. Deja vu. Shoot him. There's no point in shooting him because you go out of ammo and then he bites you anyway. So what is the point in this? And that shitty control hint on what to do was so shitty. It was unbelievable.
Damn it, out of ammo!
I shot him in the head. How is he still living? Yeah, it was supposed to be A and D. You could have told me that, man. I mean, seriously. Shoot the bastard. In the face. Yeah, God. It's not the fact that it's gory, it's the fact that it's shit gore. I mean, the blood looks like it was
Can't
painted
let your
on.
guard down for a second.
Oh, God. Tend to Helena's injury. Oh, I've got to use the herb again. God. I'm not sure how long I can stand this. Put me in the
How do
action.
you feel?
I want zombies to kill.
I think I'm gonna be okay. Thank you.
What now?
Leon, what are you doing? You need to get out of there, now.
We're heading to the quad tower.
What?
Quad tower?
No, it's too dangerous.
There are BSAA agents there with survivors. I can't abandon them.
All right,
God, it's
then let me help. I'll
He's
direct
got
you to the
issues.
safest route.
Thanks.
It's a zombie apocalypse and you're thinking about helping others?
I've sent over the
God,
field
you're
guide to your
deluded.
PDA. You can always refer to that in a pinch.
Can I hit? Can I kick? No, that's not that. No, no, no. Oh shit, what have I done? Fuck. What, right. Space to open doors. It's a challenge opening doors, Christ. Route guide. What is this? GPS? I know where I'm going. There's an icon saying door here. Oh shit, what the?
What the hell?
Earthquake. Yeah. See? What? I don't even... It's a door! Open it! There's a party going on! Am I invited? Can I join in? What? You're going there? You crazy
Yes,
motherfucker?
just keep moving in that direction.
You fuck crazy! Oh yeah, jump over the fence. I wasn't serious when I said join the party. No, stop opening the weed. God, there's no iron sights on this? Oh, so that's okay. This. Okay, so I gotta kick the shit out of this fuck. Die! Okay, I'm out of ammo. It's not fun. Die. Boot to the face. Damn, he's strong. Damn, that guy's strong. No, I don't want to attack that zombie. I want to attack that zombie. No, that one. No, the one that bloody knocked the gate down. I'm out of ammo. I can't perform. Whoa. Where the fuck did that come from? Nice one, big kid. I don't know what's quite happening here. Oil, fire. What the kind of controls is that? What the fuck? This game is retarded. Fuck. What the f... Oh, I can see myself getting very frustrated with this game. Okay, what am I doing? The plane crash and then the plane blow up and then we dash. But what the fuck? Run into interactive sequence gameplay, no fun. No fun. It's not fun. Okay. La 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 la. It's a helicopter.
Over here! Get in!
I'm going. I'm going. I'm running. Run. Thanks, dude. Never go now. Go. No.
Shit!
Lol. Zombie. Get the fuck. Kick him in the face. I wonder if zombies can survive that. I wonder. Can the zombies survive that? I don't know. I'm gonna guess not. Just cause. So far, I'm giving this game a 4 out of 10. I'm really enjoying it. Wait, how long has he been dead? This doesn't make sense.
Damn it. I can't bring her up. Come on.
That's because you're not a helicopter pilot. The dead man is. No, what? No, more button mashing. How does that help? How does that play a helicopter mashing R? Surely balancing the mouse would have been a better control for that. Would have been more challenging too, Christ.
Just a few more blocks.
Oh, yeah. Because that was never gonna happen. No, let him go, he's a zombie for Christ's sake. Why did you save him, you stupid bitch? Shoot. Yeah. Wait, I thought you ran out of ammo. I just found another gun on the way that no one told me about. Christ. Button mashing.
Shit! Hold on!
Button mashing piece of crap. I don't like button mashing. Yeah, That would have blown up by now. Oh, yeah. Perfectly on a par with the floor. Okay. They would both be dead by now if this were real life. What the fuck? I don't have words to describe this game. Wow. This looks like shit. Whoa, what are they on? Oh, yeah, that's not fucking good. What
You alright?
fuck?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm guessing they're through that door. But I don't know how long it's gonna be before there's another period like this where I can sort of round off what I've done and whether I am going to continue. I'm going to continue playing this game until I get completely, utterly shit-faced bored because it's such shit. But you know, it's Resident Evil. What did you expect? Crisis graphics? But I expected better than this. I mean, this is on a par with The Walking Dead Survival Instinct. I said it. It's on a par with the new Walking Dead game in terms of graphics. And the gameplay so far with the sequential shit, that was shit. I didn't like it. I mean, it was too overplayed. I mean, I'm already bored. I'm not even finished the first sequence if there is sequences. So, I will see you in episode 2, when I will be more bored. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in episode 2 and in all the other videos. I'm FluffyGameFace and you're watching bentspoonfilms.